Hello from Universal Orlando Resort, Florida. At the Velocicoaster.
Yeah.
Rawr.
Oh, guys, I am petrified because watch above, guys. Watch above.
Look at that one. Look at that drop.
Right, here it comes. Oh, where'd it go?
No.
It's coming back around. Guys, we haven't rode this yet. We are super excited. It is Passholder Preview. There it is. It is
Passholder Preview.
Yes.
We don't want to be one of the first because everybody's going to rush to do it. We want to take our time and enjoy it to show you guys the best that we could.
Yeah. And okay, I'm not a roller coaster person.
I am.
She's like, woo!
You tell by my mask, and I made him get a mask.
She's actually smiling below the mask and above the mask.
Yes.
But guys, we are super excited, scared, nervous, anxious.
Hello, hi, welcome. Thank you guys so much for checking us out. Hopefully you enjoy the Velocicoaster. We'll tell you our thoughts afterwards.
Yes, we're not going to record on it. we will record the queue.
Yeah, there are lockers. And then also, we're trying to get monetized. Please help us with that. We know you can do it, Fam Bam.
Yes.
And
if you do subscribe, hit that bell notification because we do post Tuesday and Thursday. We're trying to get enough videos in place so we can actually start posting a little bit more.
Yes.
And
keep that discussion going with your Fam Bam in the comment section below.
And if you rode this, what would you like about it? I know there's a ton of videos out there right now.
Yes.
But guys, just
tell us if you're excited and you're gonna come visit.
It does open June 10th.
Here, yeah, if you're gonna be here the 10th, let us know all the details and maybe we'll come back.
Yes.
Can you hear?
That was a raptor. We guys, we need to vacate this area. There's a raptor in the area.
Run!
So. So we just got over here to Thunder Falls, where is like our favorite place to go. Over here to the right, you can actually see the Jurassic Park ride. We are eating before we have to Jurassic River. We are actually waiting to check in, which is at 2 o'clock. It is now 12:30 for our turn to ride the newest and greatest roller coaster, Velocicoaster. And we're just gonna make a whole dinosaur day for you guys. So we're waiting on our food, and I got something special because a follower of ours, who will remain nameless, asked me to try some more ribs. So this is for you, Mr. Follower. You know who you are. This is what it looks like. Everything costs $34 with their annual pass discount. It looks amazing as usual. So we're going to bon appetit. Fun fact, today is the day Amber and I became a couple. Aww. Okay, for a theme park rib, this is amazing. It is so tender. It's falling off the bone. My only negative comment about them would be they don't take the silver skin off. But I get it.
They don't have time.
They have to make probably about a few thousand racks of ribs. So it's kind of hard to do all that, but it's really good. Amber is just picking away at her chicken. Get it? Picking away at her chicken. Okay, yes. I'll wait for y'all in this store, okay? Wow, thank God. Yeah, that's
You got it, my friend?
barely.
Oh, good.
You got it.
I told you now. You gotta ride it.
I was secretly hoping.
He's like pushing it
He's
up.
like, crap, no. Oh, I shouldn't have came over here then, my bad.
I am petrified.
Look at the queue though. Well, that's cool. The little Christmas reindeer.
Yeah, I know.
Let's get you ready to enter the path with real live monsters. Designed and developed in order to formulate a complex game that we properly cared for and maintained. Don't forget. So hold on to your ticket. Prepare for your
Number 5 around the corner.
close encounter. Scan your ticket at an available station, and the screen will indicate which fucker is assigned to that ticket. You won't be returning to these rooms. You remember that number, symbol, or color to retrieve your items.
So this is the exit leaving. So this is actually the queue, even after the lockers, is amazing. Amazing.
Guys, my hair is so messed up. For me, that was so much fun, but it is intense. You're off your seat a few times.
Few.
Yeah. I had a blast. My keep in mind your glasses. I would hold onto your glasses or put it in the locker. My mask flew off.
Yeah.
So after I put it back on, I had to hold it. So just keep that in mind. Make
Okay.
sure it's secure.
Let's just be honest here.
Yeah.
I'd rather ride a Hulk than this.
No.
I'm just kidding. This is actually a really good ride.
It's really good.
It is very intense. So if you're prone to motion sickness, if you're
Scared of heights.
scared of everything, try it out. Try it out.
It might be good for you. I might not. Just keep in mind it's intense. I sat on the left side. Ryan sat on the right.
Yeah.
So on the right side, you get a little surprise.
Yeah. I got yelled at by a raptor. Like, and I'm like, ah!
Yeah, he yelled. he said a lot of colorful words. I was laughing and enjoying myself.
I enjoy myself too. It's just you got to get that. You got to get the colorful language out so that way you can enjoy it. That's my theory.
It was definitely fun. I would ride it again.
Yeah. It is intense.
Don't eat before.
No.
Or at least wait 30 minutes before you ride it.
Truth be told, we ate about 30 minutes before this, and
It's a little queasy.
I think I almost lost my cookies a couple times.
Cookie? We had cookies?
You know what I mean. But guys, you know, Doing the barrel roll, or what do they call it? The
That was pretty
monosaur
fun.
roll.
That, the really long one, then you go down, it's like slow motion. You're like, but it was fun.
Yeah, that is intense up there. That one, yeah, that's.
It's really good. It's really, really, really good. We're gonna go check out the merch for specifically the Velocicoaster.
Sorry, they're coming down. Upside down. Upside down.
Let's go see the merch.
All right, the Velocicoaster store, and you're meted with Blue. Look at that. That's so cool. All right, so here's some of the merch. Sorry, I got stopped by a team member, and I just wanted to kind of chat with them a little bit. But this stuff is really cool. We'll have to stop at the main store too to see if there's anything. Oh my God, look at this shirt. Mr. DNA. I lost my wife. Oh, cool. Oh, that's what, okay. I like that. That one's cool.
This is 27.
27 plus discount. Oh, look at this one. Raptor Country. It's a long sleeve tee. Country.
Oh yeah, but like long sleeve.
Oh, that's so cool. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's small, but as time kind of goes on, I'm sure they'll pick it back up. I mean, they.
Right.
Ooh. But it was intense, guys. It was really intense. Amber found something else. Oh, that's what I found. I saw another guy drinking. It's a freestyle cup.
Drinks all day.
Dang it. And we're about to leave now. All right, guys, we're going to see what else we can get ourselves into and then probably head out.
Yeah. So the upper is the Dino Burgers over Burger Ding. Then down below is a shop.
Well, guys, we're going to say goodbye. We're going to stop by the main store when we leave. Okay, so we're back over here in this new store, which we have a video coming. And there's Amber as a dinosaur. Oh, she's blue. Here's some of the merch.
Ooh.
That's so cool. So over here, they have Velocicoaster shirts. And they even have masks. And then they have another shirt. They even have a football. They even have a Tervis. Shot glasses. And that's pretty much it. As I was about to head to the cashier, Amber found some keychains, pens, and magnets.
For Jurassic Park and...
That's pretty cool.
Look at the keychain wall though.
I know.
The pin wall.
That's crazy. We just want to say goodbye while we're still in the park, and you can just kind of see the ride behind us.
It's like 100 degrees.
Yeah, it's hot. It's a hot one today. Final review, I think, as we kind of come down a little bit.
I loved it. It was awesome.
It was intense. I still use the word intense.
Worth it.
It was good. Oh, my eye. Something in my eye.
My hair is still crazy from it.
Yeah, so the wait is finally here. June 10th. We won't be here for opening day. We decided, you know, because they offered it for us to come, we decided not to come for opening day.
Yeah, we wanted to kind of savor the moment to show you guys the best, like we said earlier, to show you the best quality that we can put out there instead of just rushing it.
Right. Because that's what a lot of people do, but we don't want to do that.
Yeah.
And that's fine. That's on them. That's what they
chose differently.
Yeah. Guys, we were really excited for those who haven't rode this ride to come and do
if
it.
you have a mess like this, I would probably wrap it again around your ear or get one of the things that go around your neck.
Or just get a fat face like me and you don't have to worry about it.
Mine flew off.
Oh, one thing too. So I think you said this already, but the sunglasses have to be on throughout the whole entire ride.
Yeah, but because of how fast and intense it is, it might be good just to leave it in the locker.
Right. There's only one camera, so we're waiting on the picture to come through. So we'll put the picture somewhere in the video.
Yeah, we got 2 pictures for you guys.
Yeah. So, but guys, it's been
warm.
fun. Yeah, it is. So we're in the sun. We're gonna go ahead and sign off now. If you haven't done so, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification.
Yes.
So, we really hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.